Yeah. These are the girls in Third World Park, or Ward. Which way are you going?
This way, go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
I'm really busy.
Go that way.
The girls at the park that I used to hang out with in Passaic. Alright, you guys are going in different directions now.
That was so worth it.
Roll again.
No, you're busy. I'm really busy. That was awesome. Oh, my hair probably looks really cute right now. I know, I see it.